We are here. We are on set with false height. No, here on set, filming a music video with Fairly Obvious. You can see we are all set up, ready to go. We've got 3 set pieces. The action kind of goes from one through into the other and back again. Why am I standing in that light? That way we can move from here to here to here all in one shot and have Ash walking back through and interacting with each set piece.
We're recording a video for our new song, Picnic Holiday. It's getting weird.
Okay, and recording.
Everybody's selfish.
And go.
Everybody's gay.
And fight.
I'm hollowing out the bread to put the bubbles in.
A bubble bread.
I don't know what she's done to it really.
A sneak peek.
Okay, ready.
And back to an up. Oh, easy work, guys.
Stop it. Please stop it.
I think. And cut. Please. That was. Oh, I wasn't recording. No, I was.
Pump the weights while you're doing that, bro. And stuff your face while you're pumping.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's a wrap, baby.
Is it? That's a wrap. Woo! Thank you, everybody.
Yeah.
Till the next one. Till next time. Thanks, bro. You.